Hey y'all, I got sent over a 2-in-1 chainsaw slash pole saw. We're gonna get it opened up, check it out, and then try it out. Already got the box cut open, so save a little time there. Comes with our instructions here, operating instructions. Nice piece of styrofoam. Okay, it comes with a strap, shoulder strap. Safety glasses. Definitely always wear glasses, especially using the pole saw, because you're cutting above you, it's all going to fall down on you. Looks like it comes with two 4,000 milliamp battery, 21 volt. It's a lot better than some of the smaller ones. Some of them come with 2,000 milliamp and even 1,500 milliamp. This one's 4,000 milliamp, so it ought to last a while. Hopefully it's got a little charge on it so we can try it out here. Like I said, two of them. A little charging cord, some paperwork here, how to put it together, quick start guide. Comes with a little pair of cotton gloves. Let's see, oh, we'll take this part out first. Oh, it's kind of cool looking. This plastic off of it here. Yeah, our battery is going to go down on this end. I think we might need to read the instructions here. I get this, but I don't get the battery. Oh, wait a minute. Is this where our chain, oh, hold on. May have a thought on this. Because after our pole here, we have our actual chainsaw right here. Little green machine here. Pretty nice looking, y'all. Has a chain guard. Just remove that. Cover the chain up. Well, actually this would be your chain guard. Well, I guess this is chain guard and this is a safety guard. There we go. We'll get it right in a moment. 8-inch blade. A little confused on what this is. This is like a primer button, but this is electric. Let's see what that is. I don't know if that'll be in our quick guide here. This has a release the cam lock to extend a telescoping pole. Would that be this? Oh yeah, there we go. Oh, it kind of pulls it back down. There's that. Oh, and it extends on out. Wow, that's going to reach out there, y'all. That'll go out there a ways. Still doesn't tell me what that primer looking button's for though. Adjusting the angle of the chainsaw. Oh, it's got a oh, okay. Got a little button right there. You squeeze the buttons in right here. You can pivot that. That's nice. Okay, there's that. Okay, number one is this right here. And it says, oh, it's an oil pot soaking. So I guess you can put oil in here for the chain. It does not come with any oil that I saw. Nope. So I'll see if it has any in it. Dry as a bone. No chain oil in there. Okay. Has instructions on how to remove the chain if you need to replace the chain. It says when filling the oil, clean the area before you take that cap off. It says fill it with 55 milliliters of chain oil. Does not say what particular kind of chain oil. See if it has any power at all. Has a power indicator right here. It's at 95%. That drops it to about 21%, so 3%, or 5%. Okay, I get this now. This part is going to slide on, it looks like the battery thing, but this is just a holder to hold this. There we go. And then you lock it back down right there. Lock it into place. Then you can take that and pivot it to where you need it. And then you'll put your battery down on this end. Just like so. Stick our battery on here. Like that. Well, it should be in business. Yeah, look there. There we go. But we kind of got it upside down. So, look right here, there's a button. You can push that and then turn it. There we go. Let's give it a try. What kind of chainsaw oil does an electric chainsaw use? Okay, this says that you can use just standard 30 weight oil, according to Google. So I guess we need some 30 weight oil. We're just going to use it just a little bit, and then I'll get some oil put in it for when I really get busy. But for demonstration purposes only, let's try it out. Remember, always wear your safety glasses. Always wear your safety glasses. I've got some on, so we're good to go. And you could wear the gloves too. This comes with gloves. They got a big tree right here. Let's try it out. I'm just going to cut on these little branches right here. See if I can get them cut down. I need to extend this though. See if that'll reach it. There we go. Got some of that down. Let's see how well it works just without the pole saw. Our chain is loose, so we'll need to tighten that up. Okay, got that chain tightened back up. We're going to try it out right here on this tree limb. Just kind of show you how easy that cuts. And that's what, about a 2-inch in diameter. It cuts through that, no problem. Little limbs, nothing to it. If you're in the market for a little chainsaw like this, 8-inch cut, got the pole saw how well that works. It'll reach on out there, does really good. Only thing you'll have to do is get you some chainsaw oil. Put it in right here. Uses, according to what I researched, it's just going to use regular 30 weight motor oil. Just don't overfill it and keep it clean. Great for these little small outdoor projects. You're not going to go cut down a forest with it, but trimming trees and bushes and things such as that, going to work great. If you'd like to get your hands on one of these, I will put a link down in the description to take you to the Amazon product page where you can order yours today. Also, if you got any value out of this video at all, go ahead and hit that thumbs up button and consider subscribing if you haven't done so yet. I'd appreciate it. So there it is. Power indicator. Chainsaw oil goes right there for your chain. Keep it lubricated good. 21 volt, 8-inch. Says 900 watts, 4,000 milliamp battery. And ought to keep you going for a while. And it has 2 batteries, so if one does go dead, keep the other one on the charger. You get out in there and do some yard trimming. It's getting that time of the year. Hey, I am an Amazon associate, so any qualifying purchases that you may make through any of my Amazon links, I will receive a small commission from. Thanks for watching.